Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel. Today, let's learn together about the NHT 2023 Physics examination. We will focus on questions related to parabola and circular motion. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. This is a circular motion. So, resultant forces play as centripetal. Here, only two forces act on a small ball, gravitational force and tensional force, and their resultant is centripetal to maintain circular motion. At point A, both gravitational force and tensional force are directly down. The magnitude of tensional forces should be 0, less, or larger than gravitational force, even the same as gravitational forces. Tensional force is less than gravitational force is normal, so we draw the shorter arrow as tensional force. At point B, the gravitational force is directly down, but the tensional force is up. But the magnitude of tensional forces must be larger than gravitational force because the resultant is up. We draw the longer arrow as a tensional force. 1 mark is awarded for the correct direction of the arrow on point A or B, and 1 mark for the correct relative magnitude of forces on point A or B. To set the resultant force as positive, we set the direction of acceleration as positive. On point B, the acceleration of the ball is up, so the up is positive. The resultant force is equal to the tensional force minus mg. Furthermore, the resultant force acts as a centripetal force to maintain circular motion. Combine all equations and solve the tensional force step by step. The final result is valid as two significant figures because the least significant number is 2. Since the speed of the ball is constant, Fc is constant at the top and bottom. However, Tb is the sum of Fc and mg, and Ta is the Fc minus mg, so Tb is larger than Ta. Thus, the string is more likely to break at point B. This is a parabola motion. We know the value of flying time and horizontal speed. We can resolve the parabola as two direct motions, horizontal or x motion, and vertical or y motion. If resistance is neglected, the horizontal motion of the parabola is constant velocity motion. So, the horizontal distance is the product of x velocity and flying time. In the vertical direction, ball motion is constant acceleration. When the ball attains the top, the y velocity is 0. The time reaching the top is the half flying time. Using the equation of constant acceleration, we solve the initial vertical velocity of this ball. Here, up is set as positive, so acceleration is negative. Calculate the magnitude and the angle from the horizontal of her velocity at takeoff. The initial velocity is the resultant of x and y initial velocity, and we know x and y initial speed. Using triangular, we calculate the magnitude and angle step by step. However, the actual distance is less than the theory because air resistance is not avoided. There are no multiple choice questions. But there are two short answer questions, which are awarded 17 marks in parabola and circular motion. With a total possible score of 130 points, the percentage for this section is 13.1% of the total score. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel and Lou's VCE Chemistry channel.